So we have made the angle Q equal to 90 degree. Let's now make the last thing, that is, class, what do we require now? What should we do now, class, for the point P? So now we draw 90 degree directly from projector. But no, if you know how to draw using compass, use that only. Okay. Class, please tell me, what should we do now? We will take a arc from point R of length 10 centimeter. Yes. So let's take the arc of 10 centimeter from R. Yes, Bani. Good. So by keeping the compass on 0, let's take it here. The compass on 0 and then opening it till 8 centimeter. Sorry, 10 centimeter. Oh my God. Class, this is the limitation. There is a limitation. We cannot open more than this. So just think in your mind that I have taken 10 centimeter arc. Okay. This compass will not open more than this. So think in your mind that we have taken of 10 centimeter, and by then you just put on this point and take the arc. Somewhere here it will cutting and join. That is your final answer. Please confirm. Is this clear to you? So my compass is also not opening till 10 centimeter, but it should open. They normally open at home. Okay. This is your point P. Not opening. Okay. Let's see the next question now. Question number 2. I'm just giving you a hint of these questions because they are not that tough. They all have same concepts. The question is saying, construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long. One of the legs is 4 centimeter long. So class, here also there is a triangle. Just make a rough diagram of it. They are saying, construct a right angle triangle. That means one angle is right angle. Second, they are saying hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long. And one of the legs is 4 centimeter long. So I can give it a name also, A, B, C. So class, will you be able to make this on your own? Class, will you be able to make this on your own? Okay. Now, let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Construct an isosceles right angle triangle. Class, this time you have to be a little careful. This is a isosceles right angle triangle in which angle is given to you as 90 degree and AC is given to you as 6 centimeter. Let's see. Construction isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, something like this. Class, now I need your help in this question because we have only two things in this question. I have one right angle and I have one hypotenuse. That is 6 centimeter. Please tell me, how will we draw this? Okay, if you are thinking that we should take 6 as the base, okay. One more possibility is there. We can take this also. I can take this also as 6 centimeter, but it is not given in the question. What should I do? Class, construct an isosceles right angle triangle where angle, oh sorry, my mistake. It is given that angle ACB is 90 degrees. So it is my mistake. Question is easy. I was making it tough by making a wrong diagram. My mistake. Sorry. So they are giving it clearly that angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. That means angle C is right angle. Now it is easy question. So angle C is given to you as 90 degree. You can take this as A, this as B. Fine. They are saying AC is 6 centimeter. And they are saying it is a, yes class, it is a isosceles right angle triangle. So can you tell me what is the length of BC? If this is a isosceles right angle triangle, the length of BC is also equal to 6 centimeter. Yes. So now you have two sides and one angle, and this question becomes the case of which criteria? Class, this question becomes the case of which criteria right now? SAS. Very good. Because if you try to find the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem, it will come as 6 root 2 that you won't be able to make using compass. Okay, so you have to make it using the criteria known as side angle side. So first you will make the base BC equal to 6 centimeter. First you will make the base equal to 6 centimeter. Then you will make a right angle on this C. Same procedure, 60, 90, bisect and get the right angle like this. Then you will take an arc of 6 centimeter from point C like this. Now you will just join these two and this is the answer. Sir, how CB equal to 6 centimeter? Kritika, let's discuss this one. In this triangle, we have a right angle triangle. We know there are three parts. One is your perpendicular, one is your base, and one is your hypotenuse. Let me tell you like this. This is your hypotenuse, this is your base, and this is your perpendicular. Kritika, tell me one thing. Can you have ever these two equal? We have studied in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, hypotenuse is the longest side. It should be longest. So you are bound to make these two equal because triangle is isosceles. So we have to take base equal to perpendicular. That is why this was given to us as 6 centimeter and I can take this also as 6 centimeter. Kritika, please confirm. Now is it clear to you why I have taken this as 6 centimeter? Okay, I think you are on typing. Okay, good, Kritika. So this way we have obtained the answer. In some questions class, they may trick you like this, that suppose this is a rough diagram like this. They will give you the base as 7 centimeter. They will give you this angle as suppose 60 degree and this angle as 90 degree. Yes, please tell me class, if this question comes to you that you know BC equal to 7 centimeter, angle C equal to 60 degree, angle A equal to 90 degree, how will you draw this triangle or how will you construct this triangle? Because you don't know where this point A is. Sir, can I tell Anshita? Okay, Anshita, I am unmuting you. 1 second. I will give you all of you the chance to speak on this question. What is the best way to draw this kind of triangle? Yes, Anshita.
Sir, in this question we have given the two angles. So in these two angles we will find that the third angle by angle sum property,
Yes.
and then we find the third angle. Then
After that, it
we
is
will
very easy,
see,
no?
after that we will see which property is using in that. So sir, it will
Yes,
be
yes, yes.
SS, no,
By
ASA.
angle side angle. Yes, yes, yes. It will be done by that. Okay, good, beta. Good. So class, you can understand in this question, when you make the base BC equal to 7 centimeter, you will make the angle equal to 60 degree. Now you are stuck. Now you are stuck that you cannot make this angle A because you don't know where is this point A. So we have to think how we can find this thing without this. So we have to find the third angle which is on the base. By angle sum property, very good Ekta. By angle sum property, we'll find the third angle and then we will construct the triangle. Okay. So with this topic is complete of construction. Now we will start the next one, that is perimeter and area, tomorrow onwards. Till then, let's discuss the question paper.